Hello and welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm going to be doing my TBR for the Smutathon. So this is my second time doing it, and this came up. The two people that came up with this is Riley Marie and Ginger Reads Laney, and it is from. I was reading on my phone. December 10th to the 16th, which is all next week. So, well, tomorrow. So, they have challenges. And normally, I don't really get into the challenges. I just pick the books that I think might fit into the whole smut thing. So, but the challenges are enemies to lovers, friends with benefits, fake relationship, slow burn, forbidden, and different worlds. So, I have about 4 books that think I'm going to get into. And the first one is Good Time. And this is a spin-off from 2 characters who went on a whim and got married. If you read Good Girls. So this is their story. And this one I think might fall under different worlds. So the second one is Disgrace. And this is a new one by Brittany Sherry. Now this one might fall on the friends with benefit. Not sure. It seemed like they were getting it on with no attachment, I think. Then we have Lauren Landish, and this is Dirty Secrets. I don't know what this one's about, to be honest. But not sure where it falls under this. But give you update as I read it. And then Nago, I think that's how you pronounce it, Her Forever Wolf. Now Theodore Taylor, also known as Ernesta Carter. Now I love Ernesta Carter. I love her book. But when she changed her pen name in the romance category to Theodore Taylor, I haven't been wowed yet. So I'm hoping this one will be, because it's one of her newer books versus the one that I read early on was one of her older ones. So I'm hoping this one will give me a different vibes. So, and this one has like a more, I don't know where it will fit in here, because it just seems like it's more of a second chance situation, but I don't know where the couple relationship may have started. So again, as I read these, I will definitely update where they actually fit in into the challenge. But yeah, so anyway, it starts tomorrow. It's a week, the 10th to 16th. And if you are joining, let me know what kind of books you're into, because you know I have these 4, but you never know, I might not like one of them and I might want to pick up something else. So you know, definitely let me know what kind of books are you reading for this readathon, if you are doing it, or what kind of book you might recommend that I read that falls into this category. So yeah, that is it, guys. Happy reading. You know, it's all that juicy stuff in this one. So anyway, bye guys.